Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no fun. If you see a fire burning, dial 911. Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no fun. If you see a fire burning, dial 911. Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no joke. Get on your hands and knees and crawl out under the smoke. Get on your hands and knees and crawl out under the smoke. Kasey the dog knows fire takes a bad toll. If your clothes catch fire, then stop, drop, and roll. If your clothes catch fire, then stop, drop, and roll. Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no fun. If you see one burning, dial 911. Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no fun. If you see one burning, dial 911. If you see a fire burning, stand up and shout. Get out of that room, no two ways out. Get out of that room, no two ways out. Don't bust out that door, knock, knock, knock. You feel the door first to see if it's hot. Kid, you have to feel the door first to see if it's hot. Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no fun. If you see one burning, dial 911. Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no fun. If you see one burning, dial 911. Don't play with matches and lighters are bad. If you see some laying around, go get mom and dad. If you see some laying around, go get mom and dad. Kasey the dog knows fire ain't no fun.